Welcome to DIY Charm Studio. Today, we're diving into one of the coziest and most beloved home design trends, vintage farmhouse style, but with a fresh twist for 2025. If you're dreaming of a home that feels warm, timeless, and effortlessly elegant, this video is for you. Let's start with the foundation of vintage farmhouse style. It's all about charm, comfort, and authenticity. In 2025, we're seeing this classic look evolve with modern touches, sustainable materials, and more refined details. Here's how to bring it all together. Start with a neutral palette. The base of any farmhouse interior begins with a soft, neutral color scheme. Think creamy whites, soft beiges, and muted grays. But in 2025, we're also seeing earthy greens, warm clay tones, and natural wood accents making their way into this palette, adding depth while keeping that calming, rustic feel. Embrace imperfection with vintage finds. Farmhouse style loves a good story, and nothing tells a story better than antique or thrift pieces. Look for aged wood tables, worn-in leather chairs, old trunks, and ceramic pitchers. These items add personality and character. Bonus tip: mix vintage with new pieces to avoid looking dated. That contrast keeps things fresh. Layer in cozy textures. To make your space feel lived in and welcoming, texture is key. Add linen curtains, chunky knit throws, distressed area rugs, and soft cotton cushions. In 2025, natural materials are big. Wool, jute, rattan, and raw wood elements give the space that grounded, cozy vibe. Use statement lighting. Lighting is a game changer in farmhouse design. Swap out basic fixtures for wrought iron chandeliers, antique-inspired sconces, or oversized pendant lights. In 2025, there's a trend toward blending vintage charm with clean, minimalist lines, so don't be afraid to mix industrial and farmhouse styles. Incorporate functional decor. Think wall-mounted pot racks, open shelving with mason jars, wooden cutting boards, and woven baskets. These elements aren't just decorative, they serve a purpose. And that practicality is part of what makes farmhouse style so timeless. Add personalized, handmade touches. Nothing says cozy like something handmade. Whether it's a hand-lettered sign, a vintage quilt, or DIY wall art, these items make your space feel uniquely yours. In 2025, people are leaning into craftsmanship, supporting local artisans, or even trying their own hand at decor projects. Bring in nature. Vintage farmhouse style isn't complete without a bit of the outdoors. Bring in potted herbs, fresh flowers, branches in a vase, or even small indoor trees. Natural elements soften the space and keep it feeling vibrant and alive. Mix farmhouse with modern touches. To keep your space from looking like a museum, integrate clean lines and contemporary pieces. A sleek sofa, a modern faucet, or minimalist artwork can balance out the rustic elements and make your home feel current for 2025. Styling a vintage farmhouse in 2025 is all about embracing the old while welcoming the new. Focus on comfort, character, and authenticity, then elevate it with subtle modern updates. Whether you're redesigning your whole home or just refreshing a room, these tips will help you create a space that's elegant, cozy, and perfectly on trend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite farmhouse design element. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.